Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable the Adapt Sound feature for media and calls on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature allows your device to deliver perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears, especially when you're using headphones. Let's get started. To begin, launch the Settings app by tapping on the cog or gear icon from the Home or Apps screen. Next, tap on Sounds and Vibration. To continue, tap Sound and Quality Effects. Tap Adapt Sound and then toggle the off switch to the on position. Next, tap Adapt Sound 4 and then set it to Media and Calls. Select your age bracket, then tap on the gear icon next to it. This opens another window where you can configure your preferred ear for calls and sound preference. Tap on Preferred Ear for calls and then select between left and right ear. Then tap Sound Preference and select between clear and soft. When enabled, this feature prompts your device to give you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears whenever you're wearing headphones. And that's it. You've now enabled the Adapt Sound feature for media and calls on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature will ensure you get the best audio experience tailored to your hearing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.